What's up, everybody? So today I'll be making a simple animation. It's gonna be a dance animation, so let's just go to your title and I'll name it Dance Party. Oops. Alright, so you can select how much sprites you want in your dance animation. I'll just select about, I think, two. I'll get this person and this person. So I'll be using these two people, and you can choose whatever people you think are good for you. I'll be setting the size for him. Alright, so now you're gonna make a backdrop. So just click paint a backdrop and delete this one. Alright, so I'll just get this circle here. I'll do no so let's do some red here. Red circle and a no oops. Alright, now you can do a right here, boom, and you can do whatever colors you personally like. Let me also make this white. Yeah, so I forgot to change that, so I'll just do that again. Okay, now I'll do some of this. um let's do a green one here, this tiny one right here, and now I can get a pink. Boom. I'll just make like a floor right here. Okay, so this is our floor. Alright, now you can do some more circles however you like. You can pick how much circles you want. I'll just do about 6 or 7. I don't know. Just make this yellow. And I guess I'll make one more right here, tiny one. Let's make it orange. Alright, so this is it. Now make sure you duplicate one more and then change the colors so that you can also do different types of, just change the colors for whatever you want to change it to. Do it like this. And I'll do a red one. Oops, a red one like right here. And then make sure you also change this to something. I guess I'll do like a oranges dot I'll do a yellow. Alright, yep. And then you can change it to that. So now you can see these are two different. So you're just gonna go to your champ 99 and then you can do, or whatever sprite you have, grab a, whenever green flag clicked, go to your looks and grab a next costume and then put that in a forever loop. Um and then uh and then go to your controls and do a wait. I'll say 0.2 seconds is good. And then now you can see that you have the dance. So before you get into more, make sure you put it on the, so go to your motion and then do go to. So now if you put like him on there, he's gonna go back over there. So just do the same code with her. So you can just copy and paste it over here. And make sure there are different positions, so you can change this to, like, you can put her right here. and then you can check so this will be 164 and negative 73. So now if you do it, well, it went over there, but that's still okay. So now you can switch the backdrops. So go to your champ or whatever sprite you have, and then do and then grab a forever loop, and then do looks, do switch backdrop. No, you can do a next backdrop button right here, and go to your weight, and you can put in like 0.1. And also you can go to your grab another flag, and for this you can just do like a forever also. Then go to your sounds, you can do play sound. And then yeah guys, so this is the animation. Alright, I'm just gonna change this weight to about like 0.2. Yeah, there you go guys. So that was the simple dance animation. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to put it in the comments if this was a helpful tutorial. And yeah, and I'll see you in the next video guys.